Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI transcription tool. First of all, you're going to head over to the website and hit start for free. Over here you're going to choose the trial that you want to continue with. For example, if you want a free account, you can just hit get started. Or if you want a test trial for their paid account, you can get the free one for 7 days with this start 7 days free trial button. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead with the free one. Click get started, and after that you're going to continue and make your account. You can either continue with Google, Microsoft, or you can type out your email. If you already have an account, you can sign into that too with the sign in button over here. I'm going to continue with Google. After that you can go ahead and continue with step 1. You can choose which meetings you want Autopilot to record and summarize, and who do you want to send the meeting notes to. Just click on any one of these that you want. Hit continue. After that you can get started by following these steps. If you want to record an audio or import one, you can do that by these two buttons on the top right. We're just going to go ahead and click start over here. In the My Conversations tab, you can start to record one. Allow it to use your microphone and it's going to transcribe that for you. You're going to have to say a few words. So let's say I heard about Otter from YouTube. Or let's say I will use Otter to record random videos. And whatever you write over here, it's going to transcribe that for you. You can share your notes on the top right. And right now my tutorial is complete. So for that you can just stop it if you want. Stop recording. After that your conversation is going to get processed. You can choose if you want to be notified when it's done or not. And in your My Conversations tab you're going to see all the recordings that you've done so far. Under that is their apps feature. You can scroll around and see which apps Otter AI has or is connected with. Or if you click the more feature, you can see more stuff over here. For example, the notes that are shared with you or your trash can. Under that is your channels, your direct messages, and your folders. With your free account, you get around 300 monthly minutes that you can use for transcription. And if you want to upgrade, you're going to click on your account and hit upgrade plan. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.